All right, what up, y'all? I'm back working on one of these rims today. It's supposed to be cold the rest of the week, so I figure I'd go ahead and get one of these going this week. So far I got just wet sanding with some 320. So I've been getting all of these chips and stuff out. So this is almost smooth. I got a little edge right here, but getting all of this smoothed out, sanding all in this lip because all of this is getting repainted. So all of the spokes are sanded. I just got to get in these little grooves in here. I hadn't touched none of that yet, but I got the sides and all of that. So these little grooves between the silver and the black, and then I gotta scrub this inside lip part. But once I got all of that, I'm spraying it all gloss black and let that dry. I think that's it. Just let it maybe a day or two, something like that. But once that's dry, I'm gonna come back with the chrome and I'm gonna see how that works. If the chrome works, then I'm gonna come back in a couple days after that and try it with this gold and see if that works. So if the chrome and gold doesn't work, then I'm coming back and I'm going all white. So we'll see what we're working with. All right, so here we go. This rim has been sanded, wet sanded with 320. Just washed it with some dish soap, so that should break down whatever grease or whatever is still on here. So it's been washed and dried and or wiped down, so it still can stand to dry a little bit more. Still got a few wet spots on there, but you can see it's hazed up from the sanding. So once this is dry, this will be ready to paint. And yeah, I just tape off the back because I don't really, the back lip don't really matter. It's enough that's black, so this will be good. So I'm just gonna cover this up. That way I don't have to worry about painting that or messing with it, so I can still grab it from back there and move it with no problem when I need to. But yep, this is ready for paint. So it's like 2 layers of primer so far. Probably do one more, let that dry, and then come back and hit it with the gloss black. Probably be like 3 coats of gloss, and then let all that dry. So primer's done. This is the first dust coat of gloss black. Let this dry for about 5 minutes or so. Come back with the second coat and fill in all the little light spots. I'm probably gonna do 3, maybe 4 coats of this. So I'm finished with the black. I ended up running out of this engine enamel, and I had to finish it up with this rust. Was this Carline? But yeah, I had to finish it up with this. So I'm gonna go back to the store, get some more of that engine enamel paint because I like how it sprays more than I like that one. But anyway, it's done. This is like 3 or 4 coats or so. So it's done. Just letting this dry out in the sun for a while, and before I get to the trying out the chrome. So I just tested out the chrome on this on the black spray can, so to kind of get an idea, see how good it works. I got chrome, I got gold. So the gold so far not really working how I thought it would work. The chrome not as good as I was hoping, but it might work. So it was just looking silver to me. Still looks kind of silver, but when you put something next to it, you can kind of tell. Like, so this is the chrome. This is what I was expecting. This is what I got. So looks a little different, but it actually does show reflections kind of good. So not quite the same, but it might be good enough for what I'm trying to do, because like I said, this will be just on the lips if it works. What I really want to work is this gold, which so far is not working at all. This just looks like a gold color, like jewelry almost. So I gotta figure something out about this before I go with the gold. Once this dries, I'm gonna spray some gold on top of this and see if maybe that helps the gold be more reflective. But I gotta let this dry first for a while, let it dry, let it cure, and then spray the gold on top. So hopefully it gives this type of look instead of what I got so far, which is just on top of black, which is that. So that's the next thing to try out, and yeah, we'll see how it goes.